The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results. Just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Without desire, there is no fire. The fire within can only come out when you really want it to. That's why the start of anything great is the moment that you decide you have to have it. That burning desire from within. That moment when you decide this is it. That is the start of something great. Do whatever you can to find that spark. To get that fire with burning, patience, persistence and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. Nothing is over for the person who refuses to give up. There is no failure to the person who does not quit. There is only delayed success. If it isn't happening right away, do not quit. Have patience for the fact that it hasn't showed up yet. But impatient in working toward it. Persist and it will eventually be yours. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Most great people have attained their greatest success, just one step beyond their greatest failure. Opportunities often come disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Most people strive for a life of little or no struggle. No one seeks pain or challenges, and nor should they, but that is precisely where growth lies, in the challenges and the struggle that come from pushing for what you really want in life. Those who refuse to go after what they truly want in life have failed by default. Sure, they might not have to suffer through setback, they won't have to live with embarrassment of failure, but they will have to live with something much worse, and that is regret. If you really push in to become the very best version of yourself, there is going to be failure, there is going to be heartache, embarrassment and everything in between. But if you refuse to quit, if you persist, not only will you succeed in getting to your goal, but you will earn something much more valuable. Pride and character. Pride and character only comes from growth. Growth only comes from pushing yourself. You can't buy it. You have to earn it. Tell me how you use your spare time and how you spend your money, and I will tell you where and what you will be in 10 years from now. How can you tell what your future look like? Have a look at your daily habits. If they are strong, your future will be strong. If they are designed to move you toward a life you want, you will move toward a life you want. If they are not, you won't. You have to be intentional about how you spend your time and your money.